नमस्कार। तो दोस्तों, आज कितने लोगों ने ये चीज़ महसूस किया जो मैंने आज से 2 दिन पहले समझाया था आप लोगों को? दैट सेम फंडा ऑफ एल्गो। टुडे आई थिंक 9:15, 9:17, 9 not 9:15, 9:20, 9:20, 9:25 onwards the algo started. Please go. I know it's a world of charts. It's a world of all educated people. Everyone is educated. I understand that everyone is educated in this world. So, please go and understand how the entire day moved today. The first 15-20 minutes from 13 4 50 52 odd, it was in front of my eyes. I could see that the way algos were clearing all the selling orders. All the selling orders were getting cleared till 5:20-25. That means someone must have programmed them. Just go on a buying spree. Keep the mood elated. Then what happened? We went sideways. हम एक रेंज में चले गए. फिर उसके बाद धीरे धीरे वो हाई टूट रहा है. बट सिंस द एल्गोस काम कर रहे थे ना, ह्यूमन इमोशंस नहीं है वहाँ. ह्यूमन इमोशन नहीं है कि बढ़ गया तो नहीं लेना है, घट गया तो बेचना है. नहीं ना ना ना, वहाँ ह्यूमन इमोशन का कोई काम ही नहीं है. सो सिंस द ह्यूमन इमोशन वॉज नॉट देयर, वट वॉज हैपनिंग वॉज, आप सिंपली सिंगल साइडेड बाइंग किए जा रहे हो. और बाइंग तगड़ा था, अच्छा था. बिकॉज आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. आपको जितना सेलिंग बिड आ रहा है उसको क्लियर करना है, और वो आप करते जा रहे थे. सो मार्केट वॉज कंटिन्यूसली मेकिंग हाइस, न्यू हाइस फॉर द डेज, फॉर द डे. सो इट वॉज वेरी क्लियर एंड अगर आप वो चीज़ जो मैं आपको समझाने की चेष्टा कर रहा हूँ लास्ट 3-4 दिन से, अगर वो आप स्क्रीन पे पकड़ लो, सो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि जब तक वो फेनोमेनन है, जब तक वो एल्गो ट्रिगर है जो हर सेलर को फिनिश कर रहा है, हर सेलर को क्लियर कर रहा है. इन द सेंस it is clearing all the sellers, in the sense it is buying all the sellers. You will understand a very big chapter of the current markets. So you will not get trapped on the wrong side, first of all. अब क्या हुआ, मंडे को this same algo was countered with a few orders, smart orders in fact I will say, which came in and which were of good quantity. 25,000, 50,000, लाख, and they sold and filled these algos. एल्गो का तो बुद्धि नहीं है, एल्गो का दिमाग नहीं है. एल्गो को जो ट्रेन किया गया है, जो प्रोग्राम किया गया, एल्गो वो काम करता चला जाएगा. अब मैं 10,000 डालूंगा सेलिंग बिड, वो उसको भी क्लियर करेगा. मैं 20,000 डालूंगा, वो उसको भी क्लियर करेगा. मंडे दैट एल्गो गॉट ट्रैप्ड, एंड दैट इज वाई वी सॉ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सेलिंग. बिकॉज एल्गो अल्टीमेटली कहीं ना कहीं उसको भी बेच के जाना है ना. It is not that ki it is prepared to create that kind of a position overnight. So algo को वो माल किसी ने दे दिया, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग कि ये एल्गो का चक्कर है. सामने जो लेने वाला बैठा हुआ है उसका दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है, वो सिर्फ बाई कर रहा है. तो कोई आया 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, एंड एल्गोज गॉट फिल्ड टू द लास्ट ब्रिम. अब आप समझो एक सिनेरियो, when everyone turns buyer and then suddenly the scenario changes. Whom will all these buyers sell to? Because अब कोई बायर बचा नहीं है. Monday we made a ATH. As I explained, sellers turned buyers, buyers were buyers, and with a gap down, they were more of buyers. So, in that kind of a scenario, what happened? These algos started liquidating their positions, but there were no orders to get filled, pending orders to get filled, or there were actually no buyers because sellers were also buyers and they also wanted to sell at some point of time. The buyers actually were buyers, they were averaging at every point, and then after a break of a particular level, they again probably turned sellers. तो अब क्या? तो मंडे का दिन हुआ, 600 650 पॉइंट निफ्टी, 1500 पॉइंट वॉट एवर बैंक निफ्टी, पर आई थिंक नाउ द अभी कल और आज द एल्गो रनर गॉट स्मार्ट. Yes, today if you see, I think if I'm not wrong, 12:15, 11:49, something like that, आपके पास you will suddenly see the spike in volumes. एल्गो में सेलर आया, मतलब एल्गो का सेलर नहीं, एल्गो को सामने वाला बेचने आया 25,000, 50,000, लाख निफ्टी एट द रेट ऑफ 13,570 odds, plus minus 5-10 points. Big orders coming to fill the stomach of algo. But today the algo absorbed it. It definitely came. After absorption, आप खा लेते हो, फिर थोड़ा चलते हो, रुकते हो, वेट करते हो. So you basically try to do something. मतलब इधर उधर घूमा फिरा, उसके बाद आपको लगा कि चलो अब वापस you have again gained appetite, तो चलो अब फिर चलते हैं. This is what exactly happened according to me. आज एल्गो को एडजस्ट किया, थोड़ा सा नीचे आया, वही 60-70 में लेके 30-35 तक आया, and then the algo got rejuvenated and then said let's do it. So now इतना ज्ञान देने का मेरा कोई मकसद नहीं है, मेरा मकसद एक ही है, ये बोलने का कि अब देखकर ऐसा लगता है we are yet to make a new high. I am not saying कि वो कल बनेगा, परसों बनेगा. I doubt it. I seriously doubt it कि high for 2020 is probably made. Maybe 5-10 points here and there. Tomorrow is the date. We can do it. But otherwise, 2020 highs are done. 2021, it seems that something is still left. And we should be doing it. I have a date in my mind, and in fact it is written, and we should be doing that high near about that date, and then again we start falling. Sector rotation, everyone knows what is happening. IT, pharma, everything is participating as of now. What last 2 days we have seen, everything is in green. The advanced decline ratio is good. I think all the parameters are good. So let us not discuss and waste time about that. But I sincerely feel that still there is some big shock in store till 31st. This year, 2020, I still fail to understand that 2020 will end without putting, the last mark, that last rubber stamp. And that is definitely to be global, because abhi when I'm recording this video, we are all done through even the Brexit, and everything is all foregone and gone by. So 2020, in these kind of circumstances, when you are doing all these kind of deals, I sincerely doubt the efficacy and the um, you know what is the right word, uh, longevity of these kind of deals. Are these deals only good for announcement, or actually these are good for implementation? Let's see. Time will tell. Time will tell. Dollar, gold, bullion, metal. I don't see a good future. I don't see a good future, at least for bullion, at least for gold. Silver, I will still reserve my comment. But gold, I don't see a very good future in the short term. The reason is very simple. I have tweeted this with hints. I'm coming out with explanation. I feel that very soon, due to some global currency crisis or some crisis, maybe this crisis of this pandemic, there should be some sovereign selling of gold. कोई कंट्री खुद आकर बोलेगा मेरे को अपना पूरा गोल्ड बेचना है, बिकॉज आई नीड टू सपोर्ट माई पीपल, मेरे को अपने लोगों का सपोर्ट करना है. सो वेयर डू आई गेट द मनी? आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग इन अ बैलेंस शीट. अगर आपको तकलीफ है, व्हाट इज द लास्ट रिसोर्ट? यू सेल योर एसेट्स. you you are finished with selling your assets. The last thing probably you put hand to is something which you have kept for the last resort. And that is what I feel before Feb 2021 is going to happen with a few countries, at least, if not few, at least one or two. And if that happens, gold is going to get butchered all the way. And if I'm correct, it is going to be, a window of 1 or 2 days where gold is butchered, irrespective of dollar index, irrespective of dollar, irrespective of all other signals which stay correct in respect to, in pair to gold. Be prepared for that. Be prepared for that. Equity markets, since I'm making this video only for equity markets. Okay, let's talk about equity markets only. I see 2020 to be not getting over without some big jerk as of now. Let's review it, 24 hours, 48 hours, or maybe, over the weekend, Monday, Tuesday. Because post tomorrow, if the world will go on a holiday mode. We should come back and review this on a weekend or Monday, Tuesday. Let's see how global event, some global event which is probably in my mind, which is going to trigger and can be bad. Thank you. Well, friends, it's very difficult, Just now I wanted to make it a live stream, but suddenly I got a notification that till I don't have 1,000 followers, I can't go live stream. I would request you. It's very bad to ask for this, but well, if you can subscribe this, I'm getting thousands of views, but I'm not getting subscribers. If you can really subscribe for it and I can reach 1,000 subscribers, I can be more interacting with you with live videos, because this is really a pain recording the video and then uploading it, which at least takes 4x of the time of the video. Thank you.